So today in this tutorial, guys, I want to show you the four-in-hand knot. Super simple if you're just going to run out the door. Also, it's uneven, so it gives your outfit a little bit more character. So what you're going to do, start it off measuring off the length like I showed you in the other video. You're going to take the big end, go over the small one, back around, make that knot up front, loop I should say, go up to the back, down through. Now with this one, you don't want to keep it so tight to keep the knot a little bit bigger. Create that dimple that's so important. And boom, cinch it up, straighten everything out, pop down the collar. Now with this knot being so simple to do, it makes for a great knit tie knot or a thicker knot. Anything that's kind of bulkier, it keeps it a low profile. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.
Hi gentlemen, welcome to today's Fashion Tips from Chris, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, neckties. It's a great way to dress up any outfit. Today I have on just a simple black necktie, but you elevate your dressy look just by having one on. I have a simple white shirt on, so it sets the canvas really well. And the one knot that I've used more than any other knot, and one I'm going to use right now, is what's known as the four-in-hand knot. I think it's really simple to use, and it has just the right size knot at the end. So with the thicker blade on the right, thinner blade on the left, I'm crossing that thick blade over once and coming in from behind. But then I do it one more time, and when I do, I create this loop, and that's the loop through which, when I bring that blade from behind, I can put through the loop, and that's how I create that simple four-in-hand knot. But the one thing you want to do, no matter what knot you use, when you cinch that up, is create a dimple, like just putting my finger in there while pulling on the thicker blade, And I've created that dimple. It just shows an attention to detail. I think that really sets the tie up nicely. And I cinch that up to the collar. I know a lot of guys want to get a more casual look and they undo that top button, but I think when you have a collared shirt and you have a tie, it overall gives you a better look when you just cinch it up to the top. And of course you complete the look by putting on your sport coat or your blazer, or if you're wearing a suit, of course, your suit coat. And you look like the gentleman everyone knows you to be. Thanks a lot. That's today's tip. See you next time.
Today at Him Gentleman's Boutique, we're going to show you how to tie a classic tie knot, the 4-in-hand. Start by draping the tie across your shoulders, leaving one end longer than the other. Take that longer end, pull it all the way around the top of the tie. Take that end around and behind yet again, feeding it through the top of the tie like so. You should begin to see the formation of the knot here. Slide the front end down through the horn, completing your 4-in-hand knot. Your knot should be slightly asymmetrical and a tad smaller than a classic Windsor knot. Pull your tie up to your collar, being sure to leave it snug but not tight against your neck. Finally, pull your collar down over the tie to finish the look. You can never go wrong with a 4-in-hand knot. It'll work for just about any place or occasion. Stop by Him Gentleman's Boutique to browse our full selection of seasonal and all year-round neckties from the Tie Bar. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, Stephen Bizzard here to teach you how to tie the 4-in-hand knot. It is a simple knot that's great for any occasion. So again, we want to start with your wide side of the tie on your right side and the thin side, the back side on your left side. The only tricky thing about this tie is sometimes this side will get longer than your thicker side. So you want to make sure you hike this side up a little bit more. You start here by taking your wide side, putting it over, swooping it back under, so you're here. Take it over one more time, so you'll see here you have a knot forming. Your wide side's in the back, flip it over. You have your knot that's created here. Open that knot up, take your wide front side, push it through, then pull. Your desired knot length. Put your collar down. Put your back side in there. You're ready to take on your event. Thanks for watching, guys.